How does a chiropractor adjust and what exactly is the adjustment? I'm Dr. Evan Wagner with The Joint, and we'll talk a little bit about it. Basically, with the adjustment, we're using different forces and different velocities and different angles based off of the segment that we're adjusting. Any bone that can move, we can we'll mobilize that area. And with the adjustment, some use tools, some use different instruments, but at The Joint we do all hands-on adjustments, and we mobilize the joint in a way that's not too painful, not anything crazy that you may have seen on YouTube, but we remove the bone and allow mobility to go back into the area. So with the analysis of what we do, we check different things as far as muscle imbalance from side to side. So if there was ever another indication to adjust an area, be it tight muscles on one side, those muscles attach to the different areas of the vertebra, rotating them over, then again putting pressure on the nerves on the opposite side. So when we adjust that, we take the muscles into account, we take the positioning of what's called the spinous process on the outside into account. In certain cases, we also take x-rays to see, so we know exactly what's going on in there. If you're having any sort of back pain or any of these issues resonate with you, check us out at The Joint.